This crispy chicken snack is perfect for any time of day. We start by cutting the chicken breast into strips. Cut them not too thin, not too thick, because a happy chicken is one that fries evenly. While cutting, imagine the crunchiness that's about to come. I'm sure you'll want to make this all the time. Now let's make the coating sauce. In a bowl, add natural yogurt. Add an egg, salt to taste, turmeric for that beautiful color, black pepper for flavor, and oregano, all to taste. Mix well. Look at that texture. This is where the chicken starts to become different from anything you've ever made. To finish the seasoning, add paprika. Mix once more and voila, a sauce full of flavor. Now, add the chicken strips we cut earlier. Mix well, coating every piece. Don't rush. The better it's incorporated, the tastier it will be. It's time to coat the chicken. Dip all the chicken strips in breadcrumbs. Be generous. Cover each piece thoroughly. This layer will guarantee the perfect crunch. If you hear the little sound of the breadcrumbs sticking, it's a sign of success. Time to fry. The oil must be very hot because cold oil makes the chicken soggy, and we want it crisp and golden. Place the strips carefully and turn them to brown on both sides. Look at that color. Look at that texture. It's impossible not to be hungry now. Once done, place them on paper towels to drain excess oil and keep everything light. Chicken strips are ready, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and full of flavor. Chicken like this is unforgettable, and I'm sure it will become your favorite recipe for any occasion.